Today, we're going to tie half hitches. For this, you need a rope and a pole. So first, you loop the rope around the pole once, like this. Then, you put this end over the original rope. Finally, you put the end of the rope inside the loop that's made through the pole and the rope. You tighten, and that's your half hitch. In addition, you can also do a few more rounds before you start your half hitch. So let's do this again. You put the rope over and under, and then you do a few more rounds of this. Let's say 2 rounds. And now you put the end of the rope over the original rope, move it down under and into the loop that's made. You pull tight, and there's your round turns with hitches.